let's see here. I'm gonna show you how to make crispy noodle for Khao soy. What we use is egg noodle and oil. For deep fry, we have to use palm oil because they're really good for handle the heat. That's why we're gonna use palm oil. Okay, we're gonna pour the oil in the pan first. The noodle you can fry how much you want. Okay, I pour the oil until it's half of the pan. And after that, I'm gonna turn the heat on. We're gonna use medium heat. Okay, we will wait until they heat up and we will deep fry the noodle. Okay, I'll show you the package. I want to show you the package that I used. Here, it looks like this. Here is the fresh noodle. It's egg noodle. For make the crispy one, we always use the fresh noodle. Okay, we'll wait until the oil is heat up, and after that we're gonna put the noodle in. Okay, now I'm gonna show you before you put your noodle in to know the oil is hot enough. What you do is you take noodle and dip in the oil. It will create the bubble like this. Okay, it means it's ready for deep fry. Okay, what we're gonna do is you take the noodle. The noodle is long like this, right? Then you have to roll them first. Okay, you roll them first. It will be like this, and then you will put it in. And you will need bowl in this. After you done with fry the noodle, you will put in here. Okay. The noodle it is fried. It is cooked really fast. You see the colors change from here. From this color, it change to this color. This is mean done. Take it out. Do another one. You roll them first. This, and you put it in. Okay. Okay, this is done.